What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. Real quick one for you. If you have a serpentine belt like this happens to be from a Dodge Magnum 5.9 liter, but this could apply to anything really. If you're noticing when you crank the car cold, you're getting a little bit of chirping coming from somewhere in the belt region, and you haven't been able to pinpoint it, here's what you do. Get your wrench, as if you're going to remove the belt, and just pivot this pulley inward just a little bit, and shift the belt over just one notch on all the pulleys all the way around. Because if it's touching all the way on the inside right there, you'll get a little chirp, 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 chirp sound until the belt warms up. But if you just move it over, that should get rid of it. I had the same problem with this one, and it was really, really troubling me. But all I did was just shift the belt over, just one little notch on the pulley. Problem solved. Check out other videos. We've got tons of stuff about this car and other cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, Harleys, Yamahas, Hondas, all kinds of stuff. So check out our channel, like, subscribe, follow, and if anything a channel does to help you, if they are a monetized channel, make sure you see the thanks button underneath the video screen, and shoot them a little donation. We do it too, so it helps out. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.